Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn how to write a complaint letter in proper format. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First, start with recipient's name, recipient's designation, company name, and company address. Next, write down the subject of your complaint letter. Start with complaint regarding, then write your issue. Dear, write the recipient's name. I am writing to bring to your attention a matter of concern regarding. Here, describe the issue or incident about which you need to complain. I have been a customer or employee of. Write the name of your company. For, write the duration of time for which you have been associated with the particular company. And I feel it is important to address this issue in order to maintain the high standard of quality and service that, write the name of the company, is known for. I am disappointed to inform you that. Here, describe the specific issue or incident in details. This has had a significant impact on. Explain the consequences or effects of the issue. I believe it is essential for. Write the company name to be aware of this situation in order to rectify it and prevent its reoccurrence in the future. I kindly request you to take prompt action to address this matter. I suggest that provide possible solutions or suggestions for resolving the issue. Additionally, I would appreciate receiving a written response outlining the steps that will be taken to rectify the situation and prevent similar incidents from happening again. Please feel free to contact me at. Write your phone number or email address if you require any further information or clarification regarding this complaint. Yours sincerely. Write your name, your address, your email address, and your phone number.